Namaste, welcome to Greet Tarot. So how are you? I hope you're doing good. So if you're new here, if you like my content, please support me guys, subscribe my channel, okay? Or if you have already subscribed, already supported me, thank you so very much for supporting me, for liking my content. Thank you so very much. So in the description box I have my Instagram page link. If you want to follow me there, please go ahead and give it a follow, and the decks that I'll be using in this reading will also be linked in the description box, the links of the decks, okay? So today's pick a card reading is the letter from the universe. So what the universe wants you to know, what are the messages from the universe, that kind of reading is for today, okay? Remember, these are general readings, so take what resonates and leave the rest behind, guys. So we have 3 envelopes here, and I have this inside this envelope I have some charms and a letter for you guys. That is my channeled message here. So yeah, so this is for group number 1. For group number 1 we have yellow color envelope. For group number 2 we have an orange color envelope, and for group number 3 we have a red color. So close your eyes, relax, let go of all the tension and worries, and then just connect with your intuition and select an envelope. Okay, so this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Okay, so yeah, the timestamps will be in the description box. I'm gonna go with group number 1. Okay, group number 1, if you chose this yellow envelope, then this is your reading. I have a channel letter for you guys. There are some charms inside it, and I will do that later. We'll take it out later, and let's see what is your message from the universe, what universe wants you to know. So with this yellow color, I feel you need to trust your gut feeling. Okay, take care of your stomach. I'm getting, maybe for some of you, you need to eat healthy vegetables, or maybe yellow color vegetables that will help you. Maybe you need to put some more fruits in your diet. That is important. Maybe you have digestion problem or something. If you have, just eat more vegetables or fruits that are yellow in color. Or maybe you need to balance your solar plexus chakra. Okay, and the thing I'm getting here is like confidence. Okay, you need to be confident in yourself. If you want to do something, be confident in yourself. I feel you are in this environment where you have a lot of fear. You have this lack of confidence I'm getting here. For some of you, you have this lack of confidence. You need to take your power back. You need to be in your you need to trust yourself. Okay, believe in yourself. That, like, confidence is key to success. Don't let other people take your confidence away from you, because I feel there are people around you who are like discouraging you. Okay, you want to do something and there are people around you who are discouraging you, or maybe there are narcissist people, there are toxic people who are discouraging you. It's time to follow your dreams. I'm getting that also. It's time to follow your dreams. Be confident about yourself. Don't let anyone take away that. Okay, be in your power. Love yourself. Take care of yourself. Okay, you're the magicians. I'm getting that because I saw the magician card. So you're the magicians. You are feeling very exhausted, you're feeling very tired right now, but you will get there. You will reach your destination, but don't allow other people to take your energy. Maybe you're taking other people's emotions, taking other people's negativity. So you need to cleanse your energy. You will, if you're planting your seeds, you will reap your rewards. I'm getting. Okay, so be confident in yourself. Don't let other people take your energy away. Maybe you're very kind people, and other people take advantage of yours. So don't let that happen also. Okay, because it's time to, because you're the empress. Okay, because it's time. Yeah, I feel you're the empress. You're very kind and nurturing people. Your creativity is so good, but sometimes I feel you give a lot to other people and you're not taking care of yourself. So it's important to take care of yourself also. Okay, so let's see what the universe wants you to know. Okay, so group number 1. Group number 1. Oh, look, 3 of Pentacles. Okay, with this I'm getting that also. There are some people who are jealous of you. I don't know why I'm getting that, baby. The work you do is like very good. You're very talented, but there are people around you who are like, they will say something that makes you feel bad about yourself. So don't take their energies. But at the same time, there are people around you who are appreciating your work. With this 3 of Pentacles, definitely you are a team player. Okay, if you're leading a team, you are a leader. So don't let other people take advantage of you. Okay, that is what I'm getting very strongly here. Okay, what else? Believe in yourself. Okay, and when you believe in yourself, that is when you will achieve everything. Be confident about yourself. If you want to do dancing, look, there is a lot of conflict inside you, or maybe there are people, you know, maybe you are in a play with this 5 of Wands, there are arguments happening, there are like competition happening, or maybe there are people saying that you're not good enough and you're believing it. No, be confident in yourself. For some of you, it can be your own internal conflict about your own work. Maybe you're not trusting yourself. Maybe you're not trusting your own work. If you are in this entertainment field, maybe if you make music, you feel like there is a lot of competition and your work will never be appreciated. This thing needs to go. Okay, so that is also I'm getting here. Maybe you dance or something like that. You feel there is a lot of competition, something like that. But you need to believe in yourself, because when you believe in yourself and put your 100%, you will get it back. People will be recognizing your worth. Okay, so yeah, definitely there are arguments, there are conflicts around you, but you need to know that be confident. That is what I'm getting. Don't get into that arguments, petty arguments. Just take care of yourself. Be confident in yourself. There will be people, I feel for this pile, there are people around you who are discouraging you. Don't listen to them. That is what angels, spirit guides, universe wants you to know, that don't listen to them. Connect with yourself. Ask yourself what you want. And if you want this, just go and do it, because you're talented with this 3 of Pentacles. You're a team player. Will. Yeah. No one can change your will. If you desire something, you can create your own will. Okay, we have free will, isn't it? So yeah, just manifest that. Use law of attraction. Universe wants you to know that. Work with them. Work with the universe. Work with law of attraction. Okay, that is very important here for you guys. Work with law of attraction. Okay, you create your own destiny. That is what I'm getting. You create your own destiny. You have the power. You're beautiful. You're powerful manifestors. I saw that magician card also, right? You're powerful manifestors. You can create your own dream reality. But you need to believe in yourself. You need to trust that you will achieve your success. You can be into music field, entertainment, and you feel there is a lot of competition. You feel that you're not so talented. Whatever field you are in, just use law of attraction, because you can create your own reality. You don't have to get into other people's arguments, or maybe it's your own conflict. You're feeling very trapped, or you're in your fear. Don't let fear trap you. For some of you, your fear is the problem. You need to get out of your own head. Okay, be confident, guys, because you can create what you want. You can dream big for yourself, because you can create it. That is universe. Yeah, memories of love. Maybe it's a hobby of yourself. You have been wanting to do this at the young age. You wanted to do this. This is your passion. With this childhood, maybe something you want to do in your childhood. You were not able to pursue it. You want to pursue it now. Just go with it. Don't let anything stop you from achieving your own success. Maybe you're getting in your own way. You're trapped. You're feeling trapped. I'm getting this 9 of Swords energy, where you're overthinking about things. You're not able to sleep properly, whether you will be able to do this, because you feel that you're not. Maybe for some of you, you're doubting your own capabilities, but this is your dream. Follow your dream. That is what I'm getting. Universe is giving that. When you follow your dream, when you work with us, when you give your 100%, you will get it back. But don't let this petty arguments or this conflict stop you, or your own fear stop you from achieving this thing. Forgiveness. Okay, for some of you it's your past. You need to forgive your past self, or maybe you need to forgive some people in your life. So yeah, maybe you failed, maybe in the past you have encountered some sort of failures, and because of that you are like now stressing about it, or you are like doubting yourself. So let go of that, forgive yourself, move forward. Okay, and with this forgiveness, for some of you, you need to forgive other people in order to move from your past. Maybe you are in your thinking about your past, why did they do that, this. You don't have to talk to them, but at least you need to forgive, you need to cut that cords and move towards your future, right? So don't be stuck. I feel many of you are stuck in the past. You need to get out of it. Okay, and when you get out of it, when you believe in yourself, you will be able to achieve whatever you can whatever you want to achieve in your life, because you have that willpower, because you're powerful manifestors. I have to say that. But definitely there is a lot of fear based energy, there is a lot of conflicts inside you that you need to let go of. Okay, and you know, mistakes, humans make mistake, we fail, but if that failure stop us, then we will never be able to succeed. So it's time to let go of that failures and believe in yourself and move forward, because you have that talent. With this 3 of Pentacles, I see that. Yeah, vacation. Okay, so for some of you, need to take a break. Okay, need to take a break, go out, have fun. Don't over stress. A lot of fear based energy I'm getting. You're doubting yourself, your confidence, you're not so confident about yourself, because yeah, you're not believing in yourself. It's time to believe in yourself. Or maybe there are people who are making you feel that you're not worthy enough. You are worthy, you are lovable, you can create your own dream reality. Okay, but the more you fall into that fear, you will be stuck there. So you need to let go of that. That is what universe wants you to know, that be confident about yourself, take your power back. Okay, look, wow, position of authority. Yeah, you are team players, you are the emperors. You have that talent. You can lead other people, you can create your own life. You are the manifestors, powerful manifestors, but you are not seeing your own value, because you need to let go of your past. You need to let go of the toxic people around you, and do what makes you happy. Okay, right now that is what universe wants you to know. You're not seeing your own potential, you know, you're not seeing how strong you are. Okay, for some of you, definitely you're not seeing how talented you are, because of other people, because I feel for many of you, some people are projecting their fear onto you, and you're taking it. You don't have to take that. Okay, dream big, follow your bliss, because yeah, that is what universe wants you to know, that be confident about yourself. When you're confident about yourself, you will have the power to make your dreams come true. Okay, remember that. Have faith in universe and yourself, believe in yourself. That is the key for you. Okay, let's see what else. What is the last card? Yeah, you need to release the past. Again, I can release the past and forgive everyone. So yeah, this is the thing that is stopping you. For some of you, it's the forgiveness. Maybe you need to forgive yourself, maybe you need to forgive others. Okay, get out of it, because you are in the past, and the more you stay in the past, you will only manifest the past events that will come into your life again and again. So you need to cut that cords, you need to get out of your past, because you have so much of potential. You are the manifestors, but why are you stuck in the past? Get out of there. Maybe meditate, release your emotions, write it down, cry, shout, whatever you can, just release it. Okay, maybe if you want professional help, go and seek that. Just get out of your past, because there is nothing in your past. Okay, and I see a beautiful future for you guys, but you need to get out of your past, release your past. I free myself and everyone in my life from old past hurts. They are free, and I am free to move into new glorious experiences. Because yes, you have so much abundance waiting for you guys. You have so much of power waiting. You're powerful people. Remember that. But you need to let go of the past. So let's see. What is your message? Love is so important in our life, so make space for some self-love. Definitely. Nurture yourself. Take care of your body. Don't be so caught up in your head. Relax. We are listening to you. Write down your emotions and see what is yours and release the ones that is not serving you. You're taking other people's energy. So protect yourself. Your home. Use some crystal, sage, or light some candles. Enjoy some alone time. Don't feel guilty if you take time for yourself. Okay, so wow. Yeah, you need to love yourself. You need to appreciate yourself more. Be confident, guys. Look, you will balance your thing. You need to balance things, okay, in your life. Get out of your past. We have A, C. Okay, we have an O. Yeah, definitely you need to fix your past. You need to fix something. You need to get out of your past. That is what is blocking you. I feel like that. With this crab, everything happens at the divine timing. I'm getting here with this crab. Okay, nurture yourself, take care of yourself, because with this Cancer, I feel it's time to spend some quality time with yourself. Go to a spa. Okay, have fun. Yes, you have endured a lot, and there are people around you who are gossiping. Don't invest your energy on these kind of people. You're very courageous people. So yeah, move courageously. Look, you have this you're going to be very busy. Okay, and if you're working on something, believe in it, because you will reap the sweet abundance. Be intelligent. You need to love yourself more, guys. And with this, look, earth energy, stability is coming your way, but you need to listen to your heart. Have some fun. Go out, relax, have a tea. Love yourself, guys. That is the strong I'm getting. When you love yourself, that is when you will be able to balance things. Okay, I'm feeling you're very imbalanced. You're not believing in yourself. You're not believing in your own power. You're taking other people's energies. You're very empathetic. I feel like that. You need to get out of the past. You need to forgive yourself, others, and move forward. Okay. Yeah, that's it. Group number 1. Bye-bye. Take care. Group number 2, if you chose this orange envelope, then this is your reading. So let's see what is the message from universe, what universe wants you to know at this point of time. So this is going to be the reading, and I have a letter inside, channeled message, and some charms. We will read it out later. So let's see what is the message for my group number 2. What is the message that universe wants you to know right now for group number 2? Oh, moving forward. Mentally, if you're stressed right now, I see the universe is saying you will move on from that quickly. And for some of you, you might be, okay. For some of you, definitely you're moving to a new house. We have this 8 of Wands energy as the back of the deck. So definitely there is movement coming. So if you're feeling stuck, you are moving away. And with the 6 of Swords, mentally you're moving away to a much better place. For some of you, it can literally be travel. You're moving away from a place, or you're moving to a new home. You're relocating. That can also happen. If you're planning that, universe is saying yes, it will happen. Don't worry about anything. And if you're mentally very stuck or something like that, you will be moving away from that stuck period of your life. Things are gonna flow towards you. And if you are feeling stuck financially, I feel there will be movement there also. So yeah, there is movements coming. So if you're feeling anxious about something, that is gonna go. Universe saying be calm, everything is working in your favor. You will get the with this 10 of Pentacles energy, finances wise, I see you will be feeling good. Family life will also be good. You're moving to a much better space right now. Mentally, financially, you will be moving into a better place. Okay, there is more movement, and maybe for some of you, you're moving into a new office, or maybe you're moving into a new area. But definitely, this will give you a lot of abundance. Okay, this change will give you a lot of abundance. So don't fear change. Okay, this is for your own good. Okay, so that is what I'm getting here for you guys for group number 2. So let's see. So if you're planning to shift or something, or move houses, then that will be a blessing for you guys. Okay, it will come true. If you're planning that, definitely go ahead with it, because this is very good. Okay, so let's see what else for group number 2. And if you're feeling very creatively stuck or something with this orange, sacral chakra, I feel if you're feeling stuck creatively, that will also go. Okay, so yeah, group number 2, happiness is coming. Your maybe for some of your dark periods are over. You are going through some tensed period. I feel that is over. You're good. Yeah, resilient. Yeah, hang in there, guys. Be resilient, because you will have your everything will be sorted out. Be resilient right now, because everything is happening at the correct time. So don't be so much caught up in the time, because when you're ready you will get it. So keep on moving, keep on doing what you're doing, because it's working. You will get your pentacles, you will get your money, you will get your finances sorted out, your relationship will sort out. So keep on moving. Right now it's very heavy on your shoulder, you're feeling very tired, but trust the divine, trust the universe, everything will be okay at the end. You will move to this 10 of Pentacles. So it's, yeah, you are feeling very tired, you're feeling that a lot of things are on your shoulder, a lot of responsibilities, but the universe is saying, trust me, everything will be okay. You will be able to reach your goal, you will be able to reach your destination. Okay, so don't give up. And with this number 3, there is a lot of growth happening for you guys. You're connecting with your own spirituality, so it's time to nourish your body also. Take care of yourself also, because you have too much on your plate. So it's time you eat healthy foods, nourish your souls. A healthy diet will be very good for you guys, because for some of you going through a very stressful period, you will be okay, but take care of yourself. That is very strong. Okay, or maybe you are moving to different places, and that is making you very exhausted, very tired. So it's important to nourish your body also with good food. Wow, I was talking about new beginnings, right? Foundation and achievement. So if you're planning a move, if you're moving to a new house, that will be very good for you guys. That will give you the money or something like that. Rainbows, look at the rainbow. You have been working on something, and that will give you happiness. Okay, be resilient right now. Look, you're going to a much happier time where you were building your foundation. But yes, you are going to achieve something that will make you very happy. Okay, be resilient right now, because you will reap the rewards with this 10 of Pentacles and foundation achievements. Definitely you are going to achieve big. So trust now, move on, don't give up. That is what I have to say. Trust in yourself, trust in your own creativity, be resilient. Oh, base chakra, yeah, it's about your stability, it's about your finances, it's about your day-to-day activities. I feel like that. So yeah, so you need to balance your base chakra also. For some of you stability is coming, money is coming, your finances will be okay. Be resilient, don't give up. Maybe for some of you need to dance more, enjoy more. You're working too hard, maybe take a break off from your work. You will reach there. No matter what, you're working hard, you will reach there. Okay, you will reach your destination. That is what I'm getting here. Let's see what else for group number. Yeah, healing. Yeah, with this environment and healing, I'm strongly getting you need to take care of your health. You need to eat more veggies. Okay, you're going through a healing period, so be resilient. You will get there, you will reach there. We have the 6 here, we have 6 here, we have 44 angel numbers coming out, and we have 4 and 6 number. I feel very important to you guys. 4 is number of like stability, security, but don't put yourself in a box. Think big for yourself, because I feel you will achieve a lot of success, lot of financial gain I'm getting for you guys. Okay, a lot of stability is coming your way, a lot of your house life will be, home life will be stable, everything is going to be okay. But yeah, it's taking a lot of effort, there is a lot of responsibilities, but you will be able to overcome everything, and you will reach your destination. That is what I'm getting strongly. So you need to heal yourself, you need to eat healthy. I feel that is the thing, you need to take care of yourself, nourish your soul, eat healthy, exercise, take care of your health. Okay, and with this environment, you need to take care of the environment also. I feel like that maybe you need to declutter, or maybe you need to cut things out that is not helping for your body, I'm getting here, okay? Or maybe that is not good for the environment as well as your body. Maybe some bad habits you have, maybe you smoke, maybe you need to stop that. That is I don't know, I'm not judging you, or I'm not saying, I'm just delivering the message to you guys, because I feel universe wants you to know that it's better to go into that healthier options, eat healthy, okay? With this green color, you need to heal your body, you need to take care of your body, because your body is a vessel, so that is also important. If you're eating too much junk, take care of that also, because everything is aligning, but you need to take care of your soul. You need to nourish your soul. Wow, look, good luck. Yes, definitely good luck is coming your way. A lot of financial abundance I can see, a lot of happiness is coming your way, but take care of yourself. You are resilient, you are working yourself, you're not in the mode of giving up, I'm getting, but you will get that. But at the same time, you're taking too much of stress also. For some of you, need to cut that stress out, meditate, ground your energy, connect with the environment, get into nature, have some relaxing time, do fun activities. And for some of you, if you are having that habit that you need to cut off, it's important you do that, okay? That is also coming strong here. Yeah, wow, look, a change for the better. Look, we have the Six of Wands and we have the butterfly. You're moving, you're spiritually growing, you're evolving, but you're mentally transforming, you're loving yourself. But yeah, at the same time, you need to take care of your body. That is the advice I feel universe wants you to know, that it's time to take care of your body. You're the butterfly, you're meant to fly high, but you need to take care of your body also. You need to nourish your soul, okay? Meditate, ground your energy, connect with the universe, have faith in yourself. You're resilient, I know you're determined to achieve that success. You will achieve it, but at the same time, take care of your health, okay? Very important. For some of you, if you have vitamin deficiency or something, you need to take that test or something like that is also coming strong here for you guys. Take care of your health. That is what is important here for you right now. Universe is saying that. Okay, again green color. Look at the green color. Okay, so the point of power is always in the present moment. So so don't stress about the future, because you are going to a much better place. You don't have to know everything right now. So it's okay, be in the present moment, enjoy the present moment, because your future looks bright, guys. The past is over and done. Yes, this pile has overcome their past. They're moving away from the past. So don't be so caught up in your future also. Be in the present moment, okay? The past is over and done and has no power over me. I can begin to be free in this moment. Today's thoughts create my future. I am in charge. I know now take my own power back. I'm safe and I'm free. You're free. Yes, freedom. I feel you're going to be very free. You will do something that you like. You're not going to be dependent on anyone. I'm also getting that. You will make your own coins, or very much if you were dependent on someone, you will not be dependent on them anymore. Yeah, you're achieving a success. You're making your own coins. Universe is saying, yeah, good, very good. You're very resilient. You're very determined to do that. But at the same time, you need to take care of your body. Very strong message there, okay? You need to take care of your body. So yeah, you're cutting your past away. You're cutting your past away, your movement. You're ready for the movement. You're ready for the change. You're ready, and you're going. You're relocating. For some of you, you're mentally moving forward in your life, definitely getting out of the past energy. You're healing. Look. So you're healing, you're transforming, going through a major transformation, building your foundation. Your roots are getting stronger. I'm getting that also. You're protected by the divine. So keep on moving forward. The sun is gonna shine on you. Happiness, fulfillment, joy, dance and have fun also, guys. Maybe you need to take break. Okay, that is also coming through here. We have J, we have R, and we have the number 3. Wow, number 3. We have 21 number, and that sums through 3. We have 3, we have 4, we have 44, 444s. You might be seeing 444s, you might be seeing 333s. Okay, yeah, I feel like that. So there are a lot of growth, a lot of expansions, a lot of stability, a lot of security is coming your way. You're going to a much better place. So yeah, because you have overcome your fears, you're moving away from your fears, I feel like that, and you're so focused on your goals, and you will achieve your goals. But at the same time, maybe you're not ignoring your health. So take care of that also, okay? So let's see the letter. Wow, that's nice. I loved it. It's time to be the free spirit that you are. The butterfly, you are the free spirit. You're meant to fly high. You're the freedom. You seek freedom and you will get the freedom. You're getting out of that exhausting energy, you know. You're getting out of that codependency I'm getting here. You're going to enjoy your freedom. You're going to be independent, and that's beautiful. You're making your own stability. You're going to be very secure in the future. Enjoy life and laugh more. What I'd say, to dance with this base chakra. You need to dance, you need to sing, you need to enjoy some outdoors, have fun. You're working too hard, maybe you're overworking. Don't overwork, okay? Whenever you are feeling blocked creatively, spend some quality time with yourself or with the people you vibe with. When you take time out, you will get a lot of ideas that will help you. So laugh, dance, go somewhere that makes you happy. Wow, yeah, that is what is your message. Group number 2, bye bye, take care. Hello, group number 3. If you chose this red envelope, let's see what are your messages from the universe, what universe wants you to know. So that is going to be the reading for today. So we have this red envelope. I have kept a letter, a channeled message, and some charms for you guys. We will take that out later. So let's see what your message is from the universe. With this red color, a lot of passion is coming your way, finally a lot of energy. You're getting your energy back. If you're feeling drained right now, universe is saying take rest, because a lot of work is coming. That is what I'm feeling. A lot of passion. You will be passionate again. You will have the energy again, okay? Or if you're already passionate about something, keep doing the work. You're doing good. I feel like that is coming because you will have a lot of energy, a lot of passion, passionate relationship also I'm hearing. Okay, some messages that will give you hope. I'm getting some messages, yeah, are coming your way that will give you a lot of hope. Okay, so let's see what the universe wants you to know. So we have the, oh wow, look, High Priestess. Okay, so something is hidden right now. Okay. Yeah. Oh, something is hidden, or maybe for some of you, you need to work on your intuition. Okay, that is also I'm getting here. Maybe you're working on your intuition. For some of you, maybe you're working on your spiritual gift, and that will improve. I feel like that. Okay, if you're working on your or maybe for some of you, you will know what is your spiritual gift is, and you will start working on it. That will be a gift from the universe. Like you will be knowing, maybe you're clairvoyant, or you will understand that you're clairaudience or something like that, and you will be like digging deeper about that. You will be reading books about it, you will be learning about it. Maybe you will be trying to you will try to work on it or something like that. Maybe you will try to build your intuition. Okay, and for others, I feel like that you're working on a project that is very okay. You're working on you're working on your passion. That is what I told you about it, your passion. You're working on your passion, working on your hobby, and you don't know what lies ahead. So universe is saying you don't have to know everything right now, because yeah, just do your work. Keep doing your work. Don't over stress about anything, because this thing will give you a lot of abundance. I feel like that. It's time to learn, it's time to work, but you will reap your rewards. That is what I'm getting here strongly. Okay, so some things are hidden right now. You don't know. Maybe for some of you, you are thinking about your future a lot. What will happen if I take this passion as a career or something like that? So I feel universe is saying everything is working in your favor right now. So don't be like, sometimes we try to know everything. We want to know everything, right? So universe is saying let it be. You don't have to know everything right now. Just know the next step and just keep on working, because everything is good. That is what I'm feeling here. Yeah. Okay, so let's see what else for group number. Or yeah, enjoy your work, guys. You know, you enjoy this work. But the only thing is that you are over stressing about it, whether this will be successful or not. If it's you might be thinking that if it's successful, then I'll keep on working, otherwise I'll stop. No. So universe is saying, just follow your bliss. Maybe this is your life purpose. Maybe you want to learn something. Just keep on working on it. You're good at it. You're talented at it. Okay, but you don't have to know everything right now. Things will unfold at the correct timing. Group number 2, Yeah, surrender to the divine. Exactly what I was saying. Everything will happen at the correct timing. You don't have to know everything right now. Just keep on working. I feel this thing, this passion of yours is it makes you happy. It makes you happy. It makes you confident. So just keep on working on it, because whatever you're doing, it's working. All is well. Just surrender to the divine. Don't stress about it. Don't over analyze about it. Just keep on working. Okay, because I'm getting this vibe. Slow and steady one wins the rain. Sorry, wins the race. So yeah, be slow, be steady. You will win it. Okay, just surrender to the divine. Do sometimes we stress a lot, and because of it, it takes more time. So light your energy. Be spend some maybe you're overworking yourself. Are you overworking? If you're overworking, just take some break, guys. Take some break. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, yeah, you need to spend some quality time with yourself. Take some break. Connect with your intuition. For some of you, definitely, as I said, with this high priestess and solitude card coming out, maybe you're expanding your spiritual gifts. Maybe you're understanding about your spiritual gift. Maybe you're entering into spirituality, working on your spirituality. Okay, reading more books, gaining more information. So maybe you will be, yeah, spending some time with yourself. So surrender to the divine. It's time to surrender. It's time to read. Yeah, read some books, because I feel for many of you, you will be learning something new that will give you a lot of clarity about something. So read a book. So for some of you, there is a book that you need to read, and you have been procrastinating about it. So it's time to read that book. Okay, so whatever this is, yeah, keep on working on it. So I feel universe is saying what you're doing, just keep on doing that. Don't try to give up. Just keep on working on it, because it is working. Maybe you're not seeing the results right now, so don't over stress. Whenever you're over stressing, just give that stress to the divine, surrender, and keep on working. Okay, that is what I'm getting here for you. Group number 3. Let's see. Look, you're completing a cycle. New things are coming. We have 19. Again we have 19, and pride. Don't let your pride come in the way. Okay, for some of you, this is something related to your passion, or maybe you're thinking whether this is good enough, whether this will give you success, or maybe you're thinking what will people think about yourself. So don't let pride come in your way. Okay, this is the only thing. Maybe you are feeling that you will not move forward, other people will move ahead of you. Don't think like that. Don't let pride come in your way, because this thing, yeah, I know this is an unknown territory. You don't know what is going to happen, but just believe in your work, believe in your passion. Okay, that is important for you guys. So let's see. Look, wow, happiness and well-being. So keep on doing this work, because you're going to get a lot of creative ideas. Work on that ideas, guys, because work on your hobby, work on your passion, because a lot of sunshine is coming your way. Don't let pride come in your way, because maybe sometimes, our ego comes in our way. Ego says that you're not good enough. Our ego will say, what are you doing? Everyone is like doing this 9 to 5 job. Everyone is getting ahead of you, or and you are doing your passion or something like that. Don't let that pride come in your way, because look, the sun is there, happiness is there, well-being is there. You will be taken care of. So just surrender to the divine. Whenever you are like stressing too much, spend some quality time with yourself, meditate, and look at that, the high priestess and solitude. Your intuition is so good. Trust it. And for some of you, you need to know everything now. The sun energy will give you that clarity. Okay, you don't have to know everything right now. The universe is saying just keep on working, have patience. Okay, let's see. Yeah. Yeah, you need to be like camel, right? persevere, and you will overcome problems. It's time to have that, quality in yourself. Just keep on working with determination. Don't try to give up right now. That is what I'm feeling. That is what the universe wants you to know. It's not the time to give up. The sun is gonna come out. You're gonna have your answers to your questions, right? So don't let your ego come in your way. Don't let your pride come in your way. Just keep on working what you're working, because what you're doing is working. Okay, maybe you are not seeing the results, but definitely you will see it in the future. Okay, so whenever you're feeling confused, whenever you're feeling overstressed, just connect with yourself, connect with your intuition. You will get your answers. Your universe is saying that universe is with you. Have faith in yourself and in the universe, because this passion of yours, maybe it's connected to your life purpose, and it's working, guys. Maybe you're not seeing the results right now. Maybe your results have not manifested yet, but it is working. So yeah, surrender, guys. That is it. So let's see what is the last card for you guys, and then we will see the letter for group number 3. Okay, I am willing to let go. Yeah, let go of that expectations, let go of that outcome. Sometimes we worry about the outcome. Let go of that outcome. Let go of that expectation. Just keep on working what you're working on without overstressing. That is what divine wants you to know. That is what universe wants you to know right now. Okay, I release others to experience whatever is meaningful to them, and I am free to create that which is meaningful to me. Okay, for some of you, maybe there are certain people who are putting that confusion inside your head, or they may be telling you, oh, will this work, or something like that. Just let them go. Just keep on working in yourself. Okay, because you know that your intuition knows better, right? So yeah, trust it. So let's see your letter and your charms. So for group number 3, what is it? Amazing things will happen to you. Don't stop working. Don't give up on your passion, because all is well in your world. Remember to be focused. Do everything in moderation. Don't overwork yourself. Wow, guys. So don't overwork. Maybe you're perfectionist. Okay, so sometimes when we are perfectionist, we just tend to judge our work. Don't do that, guys, because keep working on yourself. Maybe for some of you, you're working on yourself, your own spiritual development. Keep on working on that, because everything is working in your favor right now. You cannot see it. Universe is taking care of everything right now. Okay, so yeah, that is what I'm strongly feeling for you guys. Look, what is your charms have to add to this? We have one more here, I guess. Yeah, okay, so you got letters also. We have V, CV, K. We have 2 C's. Okay, see, okay, we have, look, the number 6 and number 3. 6 number is about harmony, about love, about balance. Maybe you have responsibility, and you will be able to if you have a lot of responsibility, you will be able to maintain that responsibility. Harmonious relationships are there in your life. And with this 3 number, I feel you're growing, you're connecting with the divine, your intuition, with this High Priestess and Solitude, and I can see that you're connecting with your divine. And the book is very important here, guys. I feel you need to read a book that you have been trying to read, or maybe you were saying, I don't know for who this message is. You have been telling yourself you need to read a book, you need to read this book, but you're not reading it. So it's time to read that book. Okay, so okay, and yeah, a lot of connection with the divine here, a lot of wisdom. You have a lot of wisdom. Oh, look, you have a lot of wisdom. You're getting the signs from the universe. Trust it. Look, angels. Yeah, your angels, your spirit guides are with you. Look, look at that. You got the owl, you got the fairies, you got the angel wings. So look at that, a lot of protection. They are saying good things are coming your way. Look, be peaceful, be calm. Don't stress, because happiness is your purpose. Happiness is coming. You have all the solution. For some of you, maybe you will be like opening up a new office space or something, maybe a new home, maybe you will be working from home or something like that. But definitely all your problems, a solution is within yourself. With the Solitude, you have all your answers to your problems. Okay, remember that. We have MC, we have V, we have K, and we have C. Okay, if that makes any sense to you. See that? So yeah guys, wow, group number 3, I like it. So follow your passion guys, because whatever you're doing is working right now. Maybe you're not seeing it, just surrender to the divine guys. Okay, bye bye, take care.